6 shimmering flapper dresses. Handpicked from over 3,000 fashion designers' catalogs. At any time, click the circle and get the details about your favorite dress.
Number 1, a synthesis of timeless and intricate in this flapper dress, made of soft tulle, styled with band. Available only in this color. Number 2, a fusion of vintage and gorgeous in this mini flapper dancing dress, featuring an ombre coloring, and styled with sash. Available exclusively in this color. Number 3, a fusion of vintage and sexy in this above-the-knee fitted little black dress, featuring sleeveless style, as well as lace overlay and a belt, made of chiffon, completed with sequins. Available uniquely in this color. Number 4, a fusion of vintage and gentle in this flapper dress, produced with soft tulle, accentuated with beads. Available just in this color. Number 5, a Gatsby influence in this flapper dancing dress. Available only in this color.
Thanks for watching this hand-picked collection by #WomenFashion. And, if you didn't like it, write something mean in the below comments. Otherwise, subscribe to our channel.